Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to find story templates on Instagram. So as you can see here, if you launch your Instagram application and you go to this plus icon right here and go directly to Reels, if you want to post a video or Reels, probably you will see this templates option above where you don't need to create your own template because all you have to do is to tap this and then look for the recommended for your templates or trending templates, and you can use this for your reels. However, if you talk about finding templates on your story, then that would be a different thing, because if you tap this plus icon, tap story, what you're going to do here to have a template or use a template is you need to create your own template using features and tools inside of this Instagram story. But don't worry, there's a lot of things that you can do. For example, if you tap this create, boomerang, and other features right here. So let's just say if you want to change the color of your background, you just have to tap this three dots, look for draw, and then tap that color that you want to set as your background color. So basically, let's just say if you want your background is color green, maroon, red, orange, white, everything is up to you. Another thing is that you can tap the stickers above and you can add location, mention, music, photo, add yours, frames, templates. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like, and you have to tap this dice roll below, and you can see here that there are tons of things or templates that you can use, especially for a specific topic like get to know me, share a song you have on repeat, something like that. And also, apart from this, you can add music if you want. Just tap this music icon, search for that music, and then add it right here. Also, you can add cutouts, questions, avatar, AI stickers, hashtags, emojis, and a lot of things. So basically, if you're good at making or creating templates like DIY templates, then you can use these tools inside this Instagram story. So there are a lot of things you can import photo from somewhere that you have created and then just add it here inside your Instagram story. So that's it. Again, you can find a template option right here where you can see tons of templates, but instead create your own template using these tools inside the Instagram story. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.